My dear students, in the previous video, I have started the topic conics and I explained the general equation of the conics. What is the definition of a conic? General equation of the conic. A general secondary equation represents a conic. And also I derived the standard equation of the parabola. That is parabola of the type y square equal to 4ax. This parabola, first type parabola, this is, I derived the equation of this parabola is y square equal to 4ax. This is the first type parabola. I derived this formula in my previous video. So this parabola, x-axis is the axis of the parabola. V, origin is the vertex. S, a comma 0 is the focus. The distance between the vertex and the focus is a. And similarly, distance between the vertex and the directrix, x equal to minus a is the directrix, and this is also a. These are the things I have stated already in my previous video. So it is symmetrical about x-axis because in the equation of y square equal to 4ax, if you replace y by minus y square equal to 4ax in this equation, if you replace y by minus y, the equation is not altered. If you replace y by minus y, it's again y square equal to 4ax. If it is so, if we replace y by minus y, the equation is not altered, then it is symmetrical about x-axis. The curve is symmetrical about x-axis. Upward direction of x-axis and the lower of x-axis are equal area. That's why it is called symmetrical about x-axis. These are the nature of the first type parabola. Axis of the parabola is x-axis. Axis of this parabola. Axis of this parabola is x-axis. Axis of the parabola is x-axis. It is symmetrical about x-axis. It is symmetrical about x-axis. It lies the positive direction of x-axis. The curve lies in the positive direction of x-axis. The curve lies in the positive direction of x-axis. These are the nature of this parabola. Y square equal to 4ax is the standard equation of the parabola. Axis of the parabola is x-axis and it is symmetrical. Axis of the parabola is x-axis. It is symmetrical about x-axis and the curve lies completely in the positive direction of x-axis. And also vertex B, origin 0, 0 is the vertex of the parabola. Vertex of the parabola. This is origin, I mean. Vertex of the parabola is origin. Yes, a comma 0 is the focus of the parabola. Yes, a comma 0 is the focus of the parabola. X equal to minus a is the directrix. Equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix is x equal to minus a. Equation of the directrix is x equal to minus a or x plus a equal to 0. X equal to minus a, or we can replace by x plus a equal to 0. and L dash is the lattice sectum. Its equation is x equal to E. L dash is the length of the lattice sectum. Length of the lattice sectum. L dash is the length of the lattice sectum. Its equation is x equal to E. Because directrix is drawn at x equal to minus A, parallel to y-axis, and lattice sectum is drawn at x equal to A, parallel to y-axis. Therefore, it is the equation of the lattice sectum, x equal to A or x minus A equal to 2. L dash is the length of the lattice sectum. And these are the things I want to discuss. Vs, Vz. The distance Vs, distance between vertex and focus. Vs. Similarly, the distance between vertex and the directrix, Vz. The distance Vs and Vz is A. Now we are going to find out the length of the lattice sectum. That is our next idea. So we have seen all these things. These are the results for this first type parabola is 4ax. It is symmetric about the x-axis. The axis of the parabola is x-axis. The curve lies exactly in the positive direction of x-axis. Okay. Origin 0, 0 is the vertex of the parabola. Yes, A, 0 is the focus of the parabola. The equation of the directrix is x equal to minus A. The equation of the lattice sectum is x equal to A. And B and B is equal, which are of length A. Next, we have to find out the length of the lattice sectum and endpoints of the lattice sectum. Okay? Next, we have to find out the length of the lattice sectum. Length of the lattice sectum. Length of the lattice sectum of the parabola. L dash we have to find out. Let the coefficient of coordinates of the point L be. X coordinate is A. Y coordinate is considered by y1. A, y1 is the coordinate of the point L. Suppose A, y1 is the coordinate of the point. This is A, y1. I consider the coordinates of L by A, y1. After that, we have determined L, 2A. We will see. Let L, A, y1 and L dash is A, minus y1 and L dash is A, minus y1 or the endpoints of the lattice sectum. Endpoints of the lattice sectum. Since L, A, y1 is a point on the parabola, since A, y1, L, A, y1 is a point on the parabola, y square equal to 4ax. On this parabola y square equal to 4ax, the point A, y1 satisfies. Therefore, y1 instead of y, I can replace y1 square equal to 4a into x is a. So this is equal to 4a square. y1 square is 4a square. So taking square root on both sides, y1 equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, a square is a. So plus or minus 2a. So y1 is 2a minus y1 is minus 2. This is a, that's why the point, this is plus or minus 2a, therefore y1 L a comma y1 is 2a and L dash, this is the, we will see, sorry, and endpoints we will see, length I want, is it not, okay. Therefore the coordinates of L, the one endpoint L is a comma 2a, because this is plus or minus 2a, and L dash is a comma minus 2, minus y1 is minus 2. L a comma 2a, because y1 is 2a, minus y1 is minus 2a. Therefore, the endpoints of the latter sectum L is a comma 2a and L dash is minus a comma 2a, or the endpoints of the latter sectum. Endpoints of the latter sectum. Endpoints of the latter sectum. LR means latter sectum. So therefore, the length of the latter sectum is, this is the distance here, y1 is, this is upward is 2a, the distance is 2a. Similarly, the distance downward is also 2a. Therefore, the total length is 2a. This length is 2a and this length is also 2a, because coordinates are 2a minus 2a, but length is 2a. SL is 2a, SL dash is also of length 2a. Therefore, the total length LL dash is 4a, 2a plus 2a. Therefore, the length of the latter sectum is, the length of the latter sectum is equal to 2a plus 2a, LL dash equal to 2a, SL plus SL dash is 2a plus 2a, 4a. So, length of the latter sectum is 4a. So, length of the latter sectum we have determined it is of 4a. So, in the equation of the parabola y square equal to 4a, this 4a is the length of the latter sectum. In the equation itself, it gives 4a is the length of the latter sectum, and the variable a is the focus. X coordinate of the focus is a. Our length ds is a. Total length of the latter sectum is 4a. In the equation itself, we can say. Okay, that's all about the first type parabola. Next, we will see the second type of parabola. Type 1 is this. Second type is the parabola lies, the curve lies exactly negative direction of the x-axis. Next type of the parabola we have to see. Second type. First type power. Second type is y-axis. This is x-axis. This is latter sectum. Sorry, that not latter sectum, it's that. This is vertex. Here also x-axis is the vertex of the parabola. Sorry, axis of the parabola. This is vertex, again origin. The distance here also positive side a. Therefore, this coordinate point is a. Distance is a. This is z. So this direct is x equal to a. X equal to a here. And this is focus is here. Negative direction. Therefore, focus here C is minus a comma 0. But distance is a. Focus is negative direction minus a comma 0. Here this is LL dash, latter sectum. Axis of the parabola is x-axis. This is directrix. X equal to A is directrix. This is y-axis. This equation is defined by second type. Second type of parabola equation is y square equal to minus 4ax. The second equation of this second type parabola is y square. Second type is y square equal to minus 4ax. That means it lies negative direction of x-axis. The curve lies negative direction of x-axis. Axis of the parabola x-axis. Axis of the parabola. Axis of the parabola x-axis. And it lies negative direction. It's also symmetric about x-axis because you can replace y square by minus y. The equation is not altered. It is symmetrical about x-axis. The curve lies negative direction of x-axis. Negative side of x-axis. Negative side or negative direction, whatever it will be. Negative side of x-axis. Here V 0, 0 is the vertex of the parabola. That is origin. The vertex of the parabola, that is origin. Here also. Focus, yes, minus a comma 0. For this parabola, minus a comma 0 is the focus. And what is that? X equal to A is the directrix. X equal to A is the equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. Equation of directrix, and x equal to minus A. This is x equal to minus A. Equation of the latter sector is the equation of the latter sector. Equation of the latter sector. LR means latter sector. X equal to minus A is the equation of the latter sector, and x equal to A is the equation of the directrix, or x minus A equal to 0. We can rewrite as x minus A equal to 0, and this is x equal to minus A is x plus A equal to 0. Here also the length of the latter section is 4a. Length of the latter section is 4a. Length is 4a. This is distance from 2a. The same method you can determine. This is also 2a. Length is 4a. Coordinates of this is minus a. X coordinate is minus a comma 2a. And L dash is minus a comma minus 2a. Minus a comma minus 2a. So x equal to minus a is the equation of the latter sectum. Length of the latter sectum is 4a. Length of the latter sectum. Length of the latter sectum, you can say this as LR equal to 4a. Length of the latter sectum is 4a, 2a plus 2a, and what is the endpoints of the latter sectum? Endpoints of the latter sectum L a comma minus a comma 2a and L dash minus a comma minus 2a. This is endpoint of the latter sectum. That's all about the type 2 parabola y square equal to minus 4ax. The negative side of the x-axis. Vertex, focus, directrix, latter sectum, endpoint of the latter sectum, length of the latter sectum, everything you will see. This is type 2. So type 3 and type 4 parabolas you will see in the next video. In this video I discussed the two types of parabola. One, y square equal to 4ax. Second one, y square equal to minus 4ax. The next two types of parabolas we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.